There's our teepee, still up.
Where the laughter rings, sunshine and friendship, all the joy it brings. We relive in the good life, like days of yore in this homestead of love. We always want more.
We're back. Behind us is the teepee frame that we've started to build.
The stick right there in our. Oh. Uh-oh. Yeah. It's not fair. It's a vulnerable position there.
Yeah, what did we say? Behind us.
Teepee.
Yeah.
Not pee-pee.
So yes, the frame of the teepee is still up, so that's good. Trying to finish the teepee.
Yeah, at least make some progress on it.
Yeah. Our tarps are bright orange, so it's gonna be like a big construction cone.
Yeah.
A beacon.
Yeah. You'll see this from the space station.
Yeah, you can look at the Google satellite maps, and you might find us.
We'll get our goodies and
Yeah.
get started.
So you're my goodie.
Oh my goodness. Alright, just like that.
Okay.
Okay. So, gonna add a few lines here.
I like it. I think it looks really good.
Alright. So, without having a ladder, that's about the best we're gonna get right now. It'll work for what it's intended for anyway.
Mm-hmm.
And try this.
Yeah.
See if it works.
Yeah.
Forever we'll roam in the heart of the forest. We found our